If he's spinning on.
There's refreshments at the top as well.
Oh, answer.
Oh, right.
See if we can get up there.
Best of luck.
Cheers, thank you.
If he doesn't get up, we've got to get up. Do you see what I mean?
Oh, I'm going to do my best.
Right, stay to the left, he's saying.
Mind you, it's fairly safe there.
How are we?
Alright.
Yeah, I think so. Been a long way so far for not a lot.
Yeah, it's only 4.
Yeah, 2 sections so far and 1 test.
Yeah. And they said, did you give up at beggars?
I think I was
we got
try a little
stuck
and I
up
was
by
giving up.
beggars.
Yeah.
We didn't get
They
away from the
gave up
restart.
because they queued for an hour.
Yeah, they just said good luck,
went up
sod this.
I went up
They
this
carried on
section.
round. Yeah, we had a go, but
About a month and a half ago, we got the chairman's trial.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we went right on the rough bit.
no,
Went up there.
you got to
No
really?
back out,
spin, nothing.
wait
and
for
it was
everybody to
wet.
clear out the way and go back down.
Okay.
So,
Which
Is that
it's
what
just
you-
major
Oh
hold
yeah, I
ups.
remember that
I
one.
don't
I've
think
done
we-
that with
Yeah,
Alan
For this
Beatles.
time.
I'm not even going to.
Yeah, that's a bit of a traffic jam then, isn't it?
yeah, I think that's causing a lot of hold ups.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
I'm not sure if you're better in this or an imp really. The imp before you get you.
Yeah,
Imp to it.
2 litres, not bad.
What?
The old imp.
Oh,
We got off it though, but it was the poor engine was just screaming.
sounds like you might be getting towed out. Oh well.
We've done. Oh, this is section number 4. Yeah, that's fine, isn't it? It's the 4th section we've done.
Yeah, because one was skipped, wasn't it?
Take a run up on it, go back and take a run up. So do you want to run around and turn? Just give it a handful and get up and climb up the section.
Yeah, will do. Hold on there a sec.
All right.
With a bit of momentum.
Oh, I see.
You should just go up.
He's
there
back
with a bit of
down.
momentum, you should be fine.
Yeah, I'd tell you. This could be a while.
That's it. Get him going.
Yeah, we've struggled with every restart so far this morning.
Oh, really?
Well, the 2 that we've done. But with momentum, I don't think we'd had a problem.
Momentum.
Restart.
It's the restart.
It's the restart bit that's killing us.
You could trickle up it, with, a bit of momentum, you've been fine.
Yeah. But the restart's
It's
killing
constant
us.
bloody stopping and that. I don't
Almost
mind.
like they're putting it in there to test you.
Car 276 coming up, 276.
Well, good luck.
Have fun.
This is the one.
Rightio.
Gotta get up. Gotta get up.
Thank you.
I'm leaning my weight back. Oh, nice and steady. That helps. This is very quick, right? Come over a little bit to the left, right?
Okay, just take your time.
All right, thank you.
Alright, happy with that?
Yes.
gentle, softly approach has not worked here. That's all I can say.
Right, okay. Balls to the wall then.
Yeah, do what I say, come out so you're ready to go up. So if you come back.
Yeah, I will do.
Once he's out, if you want to jiggle yourself
Jiggle
about,
about, right,
that's
yeah.
absolutely fine.
Get him, Nick.
Yeah, you put the front brake on and ultimately go through foot brake on, so sliding around. Mind the bottle or something. Sorry about your bike. Well, mine's in the garage at home. That's fine. Strip back, mate. Strip back, please. Alright, what number are you? 276. Pick your line, guys. Do you want to go up and have a look? Okay, I'll just get this one right up through.
Yeah, let's get on real gear over the. That's again with the drive stuff now. That's it. We'll back a bit as the gun started, and then we'll.
Just up a little
I've got to say, this isn't the tricky bit, it's when it gets around the corner.
Right,
it's
that'll be
tricky.
fine.
Right.
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 When you're ready.
Give it some.
When you're ready.
Ready, Andy?
I like it, fellas.
Tries.
Next year.
slowly creeping its way up the hill. I think.
Right.
And because it's shaded, it's probably the stone and rock is getting a bit slippy.
Nice. Oh, just try to stay on the dry stuff then.
If there is any dry stuff.
If there is, just try to straddle it a bit or whatever.
Have you got you on a restart?
Yes.
We've got a roll back again. Clear.
Awesome.
Okay, car 276. 276.
Something mentally prepared.
Alright,
Yep.
Okie dokie.
Go. Have a good day.
hopefully. Ta-da.
Thanks then. Right, we're going to go right over to the left, right? Oh, yeah, that's what we're doing.
Right left or what?
Yeah, right on the left here. Right on the left. That's it. That's it. Stop there. That's it. Perfect. You ready?
front radio.
Oh, he would have
So I don't think
gone.
you're going to go. It's been worn bare now, and
We've had
everyone's
loads
getting
of
stuck.
tractors all been pulled up. So go past the trunks and then get a bit of run up.
Radio.
Just not enough power. Bogged down, didn't it? I reckon we could have done that. If we'd gone right up on that.
Right. These trucks here.
You see where that? See it's really dropped.
Well, I'm thinking of going right.
Oh, and then sort of going up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's just see if we can.
I think if we got a good run at that, we should just go up.
Yeah.
That.
Right.